December 18th, we are going to the city with Elner. No one else is going, even though there's like tons of people behind me.
Bitch, I hit her with me semi-truck. I have a semi-truck.
A semi-truck, okay. So we're on Avenue U, as you just saw. We are going to meet up with Barry. Okay, that works. We're gonna meet up with Barry. He's gonna slide down here because that's cool. We're gonna meet up with Barry. I said that like 3 times, and some other guy. And then we're going to go to the city. Oh, sorry. Hello. We are at a place. Hi, Evan. This is Barry. Nice to meet him.
Oh,
he
hey.
watches my vlogs.
Hey, what's up?
So, we're going to the city now. I need curly fries. I have a craving for curly fries. I will not leave the city until I get curly fries. We're on the train all the way to the city. We're on Canal Street.
Make a gaming channel.
So like I said, I was craving curly fries, and we just found a place that specializes in potatoes in Canal Street. So I'm getting my potato fries. So go check out Potato Corner on Canal Street. It's awesome. I think I haven't tasted it yet, and you can actually get flavored, like different flavored on your fries. So go check it out. Cheddar curly fries. So we're at this place called 10 Below. They make ice cream, and check out how they make it.
Swirl.
Okay.
Oh, get off the webcam too.
I'm trying some for my friends.
Try more, bro.
This is really good. It's like a basement. It's pretty interesting. It's small, really small. We're in like one of those streets in Chinatown that looks like
China?
Yeah, that works.
Hong Kong.
It's pretty different. I've never been here before. He really likes it. You like it, Elner?
Yeah.
Yeah, he really likes it. I can tell. This is like total. Sorry. This is. So, I just stepped on the heel of Elner, but like this is really.
Oh, Jordan, we're going to Times Square right now.
Dope. I love this.
Yo, we're going to Times Square right now.
Gary says we're going to Times Square. If we're going to Times Square, then I believe we need to take the train there.
Alright, let's get it. Can you hold this for a second?
Don't eat.
Wait. No,
I
want to pour this on that.
Of curly fries.
I want to pour this
all at once. My stomach is killing me.
Wait.
I think I'm gonna go home, guys. Kinda chilly in the city. Kinda chilly in the city, and I kinda wanna go home. I'm leaving my friends now. I really wanna go home. So I'm back in Brooklyn, about 2 minutes away from my house. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. By the way, the reason why I didn't vlog yesterday was because the weather was horrible. I went straight home.